Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Namaskaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. In today's module, we are going to learn a composition of one of the prominent modern composers of Carnatic world, who can be considered as the most illustrious composer of the early modern period, Shri Papanasham Shivan. Papanasham Shivan was awarded with the Padma Bhushan, Sangeeta Kalanidhi and Central Natak Academy Award. After the Trinity in quality and quantity, his compositions are around 2000. 1000 of them are film songs. He was a music director for 15 years in the field and 1000 compositions with a wide variety of varnas, kritis, padams, javalis. As a young boy of 80 years, after the demise of his father, Papanasham Shivan with his brother and mother shifted to Travancore, where he spent his time and studied in the Sanskrit College of Travancore, and he knew the depths of grammar of Sanskrit. Soon, within no time, he became a very great composer, and he used to go to different shrines, different temples to do bhajans in the congregational groups. In that way, Papanasham Shivan once went to Papanasham, and though his name was Ramaya in the beginning, because of his rapturous singing of bhajans, he was named after Papanasham Shivan. After moving to Tanjore, he led the bhajan groups in Tiruvayaru in the Saptasthana Utsavam. That is, he used to travel 7 villages for 18 miles and conduct bhajans. He was such a religious person. After moving to Chennai, Papanasham Shivan Garu conducted bhajan singing around Kapaleshwara temple, Mylapore, who was the favorite god of him. He conducted this Tiruvayaru Saptasthana Utsavam and Mylapore Bhajana Goshtiganam for around 40 years till the last days of his life. Papanasham Shivan's contribution is something extraordinary, as he became the teacher for so many stalwarts like M.S. Subbulakshmi Garu, D.K. Pattamal Garu, D.K. Jayaraman Garu, M.K. Tyagaraja Bhagavatar, and so many others. Today, there won't be any concert in Tamil Nadu without a composition of Tyagaraja and Papanasham Shivan. He was considered as Tamil Tyagaya because of his great, rich contribution to the world. Today we are going to learn one of his compositions in Karharapriya Ragam, Rupakatanam. Just like Tyagaraja Swami, Papanasham Shivan also chose more of Madhyamakala Krutis. Some of them are in Manipravalam with Tamil and Sanskrit. Around 60 of them are in Sanskrit and the rest of them are in Tamil. In these compositions, Papanasham Shivan, unlike Tyagaraja Swami, though chose to compose multiple charanams, he gave different tunes to the charanams. Now we are going with Karharapriya Srinivasa Tavacharanam in the Thalam Rupaka. Karharapriya comes under 22nd Melakarta out of 72 Melakarta scheme, and its evolution may be considered from the Samagana, which is more nearer to the Shadjagrama scale, and it has hundreds of janyas which are very popular. It contributes to so much melody with many samvadins. We'll sing the Arohana and Avarohana, then you will know how it comes. Sari Gama Pada Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Ri Sa. Hello, Niharika.
Hello, namaste. Ma'am.
Namaste. You sing now the Arohana and Avarohana.
Yes.
Sari
ga ma pa da ni sa sa
Ni da pa ma ga ri sa. So sari ga ma pa da ni sa. If you just feel like your Shadjama is Panchama, then both are alike. That's why we call them symmetrical tetrachords. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Then we can see so many samvadins. Sa pa ri da ga ni ma sa. So these are the main contributors to the melody of the ragam. Not only that, it will take so many gamakas like sa ri ga ma kampita, ri ga ma plain gandharam, ma ga pa pa da ga. See, this gandharam takes a different shades from different notes in the different phrases of the ragam. Just like that, nishadam, ri ga da ni. So whichever modulation you do in the previous tetrachord, naturally it will carry on to the second tetrachord.
Yes.
Ri ga ma pa da ni ga ri da ni sa. It's very big rag, major ragam, and you can do elaborate alapana, Neraval Swarakalpana in that, which is suitable for all the compositions and which can be sung at all times. And because of Gandhari, that Gandharam is very mild in that phrase when it comes back. Gari da ni sa ri ga sa ri da ni ga ri. Then it gives some pleading effect like bhakti. Da ni ga ri. Little bit Veera rasam. So it has multiple shades of different rasams. And you know, this is called Shri in the previous days. And after that, it was transformed to Karhapriya in the Kanakangi Ratnangi scheme of 72 Melakartas. In the Dikshita tradition, it was only named as Shri Ragam. Papnasham Shivan's compositions were released in 6 volumes by his daughter Rukmini Ramani. And one of his daughters, Neela Ramagopal, is also a very good musician and very good teacher. Now, see the notation. Srinivasa Ri Ga Ma Pa
Srinivasa
Da Ma Da Pa Da Ni Tava Charanam
Tava Charanam.
Again. Srinivasa Tava Charanam. Again.
Srinivasa Tava Charanam.
Chintayami.
Chintayami.
Chintayami Panidapama.
Chintayami
Santatam.
Santatam
Tam Ridama Madagarisa
Tam
Srinivasa Tava
Charanam
Chin Santatam. This is the first Sangati.
Okay.
Sing again.
Srinivasa Tava Charanam Chintayami Santatam
Tam Madaga Chuttam Tam Shri. Second Sangati. Shri Nivasa
Srinivasa
Papa Bagama Pa Vasa Tava Charanam
Tava Charanam
Chinta Dasanida Chinta Yami Yami Pada Padani Sani Yami. See, he shows the Nishadam. Niga.
Okay.
When it comes back, just like Gandharam, I told. Yami. So it's coming down. So the Nishadam becomes mild Nishadam. Kaishiki. Chinta Yami.
Chinta Yami
Santa
Santa
Nidada Papa Badiga Garisa Tam Should be very clear. Tam Shri
Tam Shri
Riga Riga No Riga Garisa
Tam
Shri Nivasa
Srinivasa
Papa Bagama
Vasa
Tava Charanam Chilta Yami
Yami
Santa Tam Shri. Again. Nivasa Tava Charanam Chilta Yami Santa Tam Shri. Third one. Shri. Every time at the place of Vasa, it's changing.
Yes.
Shrini Vasa Tava Padava
Tava
Magari Amabadani Sa Charanam Padani Sadi Magari Nida Chinta Rigama Padasani Nidaga Yami Ga Garirisa Ga Garirisa Ni Santa Tanida Padapa Mapapa Garisa Tam
Tam
Srinivasa Tava Charanam Tava Charanam यामि
यामि
सन्त
सन्त
तं
तं
we'll sing full sangati now.
Yes.
Srinivasa tava charanam childayami santatam Srinivasa tava charanam childayami santatam Srinivasa tava charanam tava
tava
dani sa sani da pama
tava
charanam. So this is the Pallavi. Shall we sing at once Pallavi?
Yes.
Srinivasa tava charanam chintayami santatam Srinivasa tava charanam chintayami santatam Srinivasa tava charanam childayami 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 santatam Srinivasa tava charanam So this is the Pallavi. Shall we go with the Anupallavi now? Actually, the Pallavi is Srinivasa Tavacharanam Chintayami Santatam. O Lord Venkatesha, Srinivasa Tavacharanam, I bow to the your feet of Lord Venkatesha. Chintayami Santatam, and I contemplate on the feet. Santatam, always. So that's the meaning of it. This is in Sanskrit and it is in Dvitiya Vibhakti, what we call as the second case. I bow Srinivasa and I contemplate on him. On him. So, as the second case of grammar, this comes as Srinivasa Tavacharanam, Dina Janavanam, It ends with M like that. And now, going to the Anupallavi. Dani sa, this is full in Uttarangam. Dina,
Dina
Jana,
Jana
Vana,
Vana
Durina, Gari, Sari Gari Sa, Durina, Dina,
Dina
Jana Vana Durina. And second Sangati. Dina Nisadigarisani
Dina
Jana Nisadigarisani sa Jana Vana
Vana
Durina
Durina.
Okay,
Di-
second Sangat again. Dina Jana Vana Durina. And the third Sangati. Nisadigas Dida Sarigari Nidda Dina Jana Vana
Jana
Vana Durina
Durina
Na. These are the three Sangatis.
Okay.
And after comes Shri Venkata
Sri Venkata
Sadi Gavagari Sa Venkata Venkata Padani Sanidani da Pada Magapa Magadisa Pada
Ni Sanida Nida Pada Pamaga Pamagarisa
Padatni you have to give small vibration. Padani Sani Shri Venkata Giri Gi
Giri
Mana Shri Venkata Giri Ramana. Again. Shri Venkata Giri Ramana. Second one, Sri Venkatagiri is common. Shri Venkata, after that is common. Padani sa gari sa niri sa nida nida pamagari sa Giri Ramana. Sing. Giri
Giri Ramana
Rama
Ramana
Girira
Giri
Shri Venkata Giri Ramana. Understood? Third one, Shri Venkata. That's common again. Giri Ramana. Giri Nida Pamaga Pamagarisa. Okay, shall we sing third Sangat again?
Yes.
Shri Venkata Giri Ramana Shri Nivasa Tava Charanam Childayami Santam Nivasa Tava Charanam. We can even sing like this. Now we'll sing the Anupallavi at once. Dina Janavana Durina Nida Janavana Durina Dina Janavana Durina Dina Janavana Durina Dina Janavana Durina Durina Shri Venkata Giri Ramana Shri Venkata Giri Ramana Shri Venkata Giri Ramana Shri Nivasa Tava Charanam Childayami Santam Shri Nivasa Tava Charanam. And now, going to the Charanam. First, we will know the meaning of Anupallavi. Dina Janavana Dhurina. Dina Janavana. He protects. Who take refuge in him? Dina Jana. Avana is to protect. Dina Janavana Dhurina. Who is very much capable. Who is omniscient. Shri Venkata Girisha. Giri Ramanam. Who is the Lord of 7 hills? Venkatachalapati. Venkatagiri Ramanam. And now, Charanam. Kamalaja Manohara. Kamalaja is
The one who is in
Lakshmi.
Huh.
One who resides in lotus.
Lotus.
Kamalaja. Kamalaja Manohara. She is the consort of Venkatramana. And then afterwards, Kamalaja Manohara.
Kara Karuna
Shrikara.
Srikara.
Shrikara Kamala. Karuna. Karunakara. Shrikara, who is very auspicious to give boons. Shri is auspicious.
Karuna Jaladhara.
Karuna Jaladhara, who is very compassionate. Like Jaladhara is Samudra, who is Karuna Samudra. Karuna Jaladhara. Afterwards,
Nata Semalata.
Nata Shamala Tamo Bhaskara.
Nata
That's the
Semala.
phrase.
Okay.
Who protects the devotees and destroys the ignorance of them like a Bhaskara, sun, who removes the darkness. Tamo is darkness. Shamala Tamo Bhaskara. Ignorance is compared to darkness and which is destroyed by the sun god. Shamala
Bhaskara.
Tamo Bhaskara.
Suresha
Suresha, who is the lord of Sura Devatas,
Ramadasa
celestial Devatas. Ramadasa
Nuta.
Nuta. Ramadasa is the mudra of Papanasham Shivan. His name is Ramayya, no? So he used the mudra Ramadasa. Ramadasa Nuta, who is adored by Papanasham Shivan. Now, see the notation. Kamalaja
Kamalaja
Manohara
Manohara
Shri Gama
Sri Gama
Shri Kamalaja
Sri
Kamalaja
Kamalaja
Manohara
Manohara.
No, that is 5.
Okay.
10 akshrams. Hara Shri Gama
Sri
Nilabama Gama Laja. Okay, next. Kamala
Kamala
Ja
Ja
Mano Nidava Vadadariva Hara Shri Gama Pa Nidadapama Gama
Sri Kama
Kamala. That's the link.
Okay.
Shri Kamala Ja
Sri Kama
Manohara See how beautifully he couched the phrases. Karnapriya, different from other compositions. Tadare nara tadari na 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 na. Just taking this composition, you can sing so many very good phrases of Karnapriya.
Yes.
Mano Mano
Mano
No Dadarapa
No
Hara Shri Tadarina Kara Tadana Each of the phrases is very beautiful.
Yes.
Kara
Kara
Karu ಕಮಲಜಾ ಮನೋಹರ ಶ್ರೀ ಕರ ಕರು Yes. ಕರುಣ
ರೀ ಗಮಗರಿ ಸಾ
Gariga sa. It comes like, but you should not say riga mariga sa. No, it's a Hussaini phrase. Kara karuna
ನಾ
ಜಲಧರನತ
ಜಲಧರನತ
Agama. It comes as a link when we sing with the talam. You know it. Kama. Till that we'll sing again with talam. Takka. Kamalaja ma. Up to that avartam.
Okay.
Takka. Kamalaja manohara Shri Kamalaja manohara Shri Kama. You have to remember that karvai. Kamalaja 5 Mano 4 Hara 4. Okay, now sing. Takka. Kamalaja manohara Shri Kamalaja manohara Shri Gama or Shri Gama.
ಶ್ರೀ ಕಮಲ
Second one. Kamalaja
ಕಮಲಜಾ
ಮನೋಹರ
ಮನೋಹರ
ಶ್ರೀ
ಶ್ರೀ
ಕರ ಕರು
ಕರ ಕರು
ನ ಜಲಧರ ನತ
ಜಲಧರ ನತ
ಶ್ರೀ ಕಮಲ ಜ
ಕಮಲ
ಜ ಮನೋಹರ ಶ್ರೀ ಕರ ಕರುಣ ಜಲಧರ ನತ. And afterwards it is fully like Anupallavi. Deena Shamala
ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ
Tamo
ತಾಮೋ
Bhaskara
ಭಾಸ್ಕರ
Suresha
ಸುರೇಶ
Rama
ರಾಮ
Dasanu
ದಾಸನೂತ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ ತಮೋ
Bhaskara Suresha
ಸುರೇಶ
Rama
ರಾಮ
dasanu ta. The very same notation. Padani sa gari sa ni re sa ni da pa ma gari sa, not sa ni da pa.
Okay.
Dasanu ta dasanu ta. Suresha Rama Rama Padani sa gari sa ni da re sa ni da pa ma gari sa da sa nu ta da sa nu ta shi ni vasa. That will come for this.
Okay.
We'll sing the Charanam at once. Kamalaja Manohara Shri Kamalaja Manohara Shri Kamalaja Manohara Shri Kamalaja Manohara Shri Karakaruna Jaladhara Nata Shri Kamalaja Manohara Shri Karakaruna Jaladhara Nata Shamala Tamo Bhaskara Suresha Rama dasanu ta. Shamala Tamo Bhaskara Suresha Rama dasanu ta. Shamala Tamo Bhaskara Suresha Rama dasanu ta. Nivasa tava charanam chudayami santam shri nivasa tava charanam So, you learn section by section clearly with notation. Practice well. Then we can sing all the Kriti at once. Namaskaram.
Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.